I'm Justin Landfair, building science student at Auburn. Today I'm going to be talking to you about power tools. OSHA Standard 1926 300A states, all power tools, whether furnished by the employer or employee, shall be maintained in a safe condition. All hazards involved in the use of power tools can be prevented by following 5 basic safety rules. Keep all tools in good condition with regular maintenance. Use the right tool for the job. Examine each tool for damage before use. Operate according to the manufacturer's instructions. Provide and use the proper protective equipment. The following information offers general safety guidelines for power tools. Individual manufacturer's tools, owner-operator manuals, shipped with tools and accessories are recommended as a final source for proper procedures for specific tool use. Know the power tool. Operators must read and understand the owner's manual. Labels affixed or included in the shipping container must be read and understood. Ground all tools unless double insulated. Avoid dangerous environments. Do not use power tools in a damp, wet, or explosive atmosphere. Fumes, dust, or flammable materials. Be aware of all power lines and electrical circuits, water pipes, and other mechanical hazards in your work area, particularly those below the work surface, hidden from the operator's view, that may be contacted. Wear proper apparel. Do not wear loose clothing, dangling objects, or jewelry. Long hair must be restrained. Gloves should not be worn when operating certain power tools. Check appropriate tool manuals. As you can see in this picture, this individual is wearing loose clothing and loose jewelry, which become entangled in any power tool. This is in violation of OSHA standards. Power tools can be hazardous when improperly used. There are several types of power tools based on the power source they use: electric, pneumatic, liquid fuel, hydraulic, and powder actuated. Employees shall be trained in the use of all tools, not just power tools. They should understand the potential hazards as well as the safety precautions to prevent those hazards from occurring. The following general precautions should be observed by power tool users. Never carry a tool by the cord or hose. Never yank the cord or the hose to disconnect it from the receptacle. Keep cords and hoses away from heat, oil, and sharp edges. Disconnect when not in use, before servicing, and when changing accessories such as blades, bits, and cutters. All observers should be kept at a safe distance away from the work area. Secure work with clamps or vise, freeing both hands to operate the tool. Avoid accidental starting. Workers should not hold a finger on the switch button while carrying a plugged-in tool. Employees using electric tools must be aware of several dangers. The most serious is the possibility of electrocution. Among the chief hazards of electric-powered tools are burns and slight shocks, which can lead to injuries or even heart failure. Under certain conditions, even a small amount of current can result in fibrillation of the heart and eventual death. A shock can also cause the user to fall off a ladder or other elevated work surface. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this information has been useful. And always remember, safety comes first.